Welcome, team. We have today HDFC Life, Kanika, and we have Vaibhav also from HDFC uh, Life, and of course, Piyush is with us. So let's not waste time. Vaibhav and Kanika, over to you.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
thank
good
you.
afternoon, team. Kanika Sarva here from Learning and Development team. So today's topic is SDFC Life Sanchay Para Advantage. Okay, so it's basically it's a participating life insurance plan. So in which the customer will get the cover of whole life with the security of uh, their protection also till the age of 100 years, and in which the customer will get the two options. The customer has two options. The first is immediate income option, and the second one is deferred income option. Next one, please. So in this plan, the customer will get the tax benefits, payout from the first month, and whole life income, and whole life cover, and accrued bonuses. So whatever bonuses the customer is getting, he or she can accrue the bonuses. And there are different PPT options in both the options. So there are two options. Please move forward. Okay. So we have two options, immediate income option and deferred income option. So in this plan, customer will get the guaranteed benefits in deferred income option, and customer will get an other cash bonuses also. Okay, so if we will check, the customer will get the guaranteed income for 25 years in deferred income option, and the cash bonus also he will receive. Uh, okay. So first one is deferred income option. So in deferred income option, customer will get the guaranteed income as well as the cash bonus also. So in this option, if customer will pay, so in this option, the customer have three PPT options. So customer can take 8 years, 10 years, 12 years. Okay, so three options he can take. And in immediate income option, he can also take 8, 10, 12, and there is one other option, 6 years. सो इन डिफर्ड इनकम ऑप्शन में क्या रहता है कि अगर कस्टमर जैसे जो भी पीपीटी ऑप्शन ऑप्ट करता है, सो आफ्टर दैट द पीपीटी ईयर ओवर होने के बाद में 1 ईयर विल बी वेटिंग पीरियड, एंड आफ्टर दैट द cash bonuses and guaranteed income will start. So
Kanika, sorry,
yes,
you'll have to speak in
yes,
English because we have a lot of South people in the team. Okay.
okay, fine, no issues, no issues. So in this in this option, the customer will pay whatever premium payment he's choosing, and after the 1 year will be waiting period, and after that he will receive the cash bonus and guaranteed income till the age of 100 years, because in deferred income option and immediate income option there are whole life, he will get the whole life benefit. So he will get the guaranteed income for 25 years, and after 25 years he will get the guaranteed income and cash bonus as a cash bonus. So till the 25 years he will get guaranteed benefit for 25 years, and along with he will also get the cash bonus, and after 25 years the guaranteed benefit he will get as a cash bonus. Is my point is clear? We'll take one example. Please move forward. Okay, so here is one example. The customer is paying 1 lakh rupees for 8 years. After then 1 year will be waiting period, and after that after 1 year will be waiting period, and after that he will get the guaranteed income and cash bonus. So he is getting guaranteed income for 25 years. Okay, and also receiving the cash bonus for the 25 years. But after that we can see here that after that the guaranteed benefit and the cash bonus he is getting as an annual cash bonus. So after that, he will get the annual cash bonus till the age of 100. And after that, if customer will survive, he will get the return of the premiums plus terminal bonus and plus last cash bonus payout. Okay. So suppose he's paying 8 lakh rupees. Okay. So on maturity, he will get the return of premiums. He paid 8 lakh rupees. Okay, for 8 years. So 1 lakh rupee he was paying for 8 years. So 8 lakh rupees and plus terminal bonus. The terminal bonus will declare at the end of the policy term. Okay, and the last cash bonus payout. Okay, so suppose the cash bonus payout is 71,000 according to this example. So the returns of premium plus terminal cash bonus and the last cash bonus payout. So if in this option, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, or shall I move forward?
How much was this year's Sanchay Par got cash bonus? At what percentage to the existing clients?
So if you will see, so if we are looking for the deferred income option, so the guaranteed income is according to the PPT options. So if the customer is choosing 8 years PPT, so he will get the, 1 second, huh? He will get the 28% of annualized premium. And if customer is choosing 10 years PPT, so he will get the 40% of annualized premium. And if customer is choosing 12 years PPT, so the 50% he will get of annualized premium. And cash bonus is different. So cash bonus is also depends on customer's age and what premium payment term he is choosing, and the how much the policy term he is choosing. So in which the deferred income option and with immediate income option in this plan, the customer also can take the like a fixed term option. So it depends also that like what cash bonus is company declaring.
I'm asking you, what was the company declared for this year for last year's pay clients of Sanchay Par?
Okay.
Bonus declared at the rate of 4% or 8%? That's what I want to know.
So according to companies declaring 8% of bonus, because we can't sure that because before 2010 IRDA rule was like we have to show in our illustration 6% or 10% according. But after 2010, the IRDA says ki you can show in your illustration according to 4% and 4 to 8%, between 4 to 8%. So till now, the bonus history also have our websites. So we can also refer these bonus rates. But still, till now, till now, the company is paying according to the 8%, and it also depends on customer age and the PPT.
You mean to say the cash bonus at the rate of 4% or 8% is on the age also? PPT?
No.
What? PPT is okay. See, okay. In Sanchay Par, we do not get guaranteed income like Sanchay Plus, right? So
yes, but yes, but in deferred income option, you are also getting the guaranteed income for 25 years. And after that, as well as along with the guaranteed bonus, you will also get the cash bonus. But after 25 years, you will get guaranteed income as a cash bonus only. Okay. But for 25 years, you will get guaranteed benefit also, and you will get cash bonus also.
Okay. So
yes, in illustration, there will be mentioned if guaranteed.
No, you asked now. Yes. Questions are also come out. Mr. Jainan is asking, how is the insurance amount calculated? Sir, that we have a calculator. We will share you the, when you give the date of birth, we will share you the illustration and insurance amount. It is the premium paying. So you have to pay this X amount. Minimum is 30,000, right? Here also? in Sanchay Par, Vaibhav?
The minimum is 30,000.
Yeah. So minimum Jainam sir, 30,000 you have to pay premium, and it can go maximum to 5 lakhs, and then underwriter will decide. So accordingly, the illustration will be calculated and given to you. We can't give you the insurance amount. The insurance amount is the premium paying. That is from 30,000 to what? Correct, Vaibhav and Kanika have answered, Jainam?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, correct. And in
Sayan,
deferred,
I asked the same question, guaranteed income and cash bonus ratio. So can you illustrate more on this?
okay.
Kanika, please.
So, according to this example, if customer is paying 1 lakh rupees, okay, and before I already told you, like the customer will get the guaranteed benefit according his premium payment option. Okay, if he's choosing 8 years premium payment option, so he will get the 28% of annualized premium. So suppose so according to this example, customer is paying 1 lakh rupees, so he is getting 28% of 1 lakh rupees as a guaranteed income. Okay.
That is a
Okay.
deferred option only, but right, not in.
Yes, yes, that is in only in deferred option. Okay, and along with also he will receive the cash bonus. Okay, but for cash bonus we can't say guarantee. Okay, because that is also depends on the company benefits, because we know the how participating plan works. Okay, and after 25 years, the guaranteed income and the cash bonus will declare according to the declare as a cash bonus only. So after
That upon
25
depends
years,
upon the profitability, no, of HDFC Life.
yes, yes, yes. So after 25 years, the you can't say like the 28,400 it's guaranteed, but after 25 years you can't say ki like it's a guaranteed. After 25 years, the customer will get this amount, but not as a guaranteed. He will receive as a cash bonus.
Yeah. Any more questions? Please type your questions on chat box, team, so we can answer. Because this is another we are doing the same product, Sanchay Par, which we've done always since last year.
So, Trupti,
Let's interact. Yeah, tell me, Vaibhav. Sorry.
Trupti, just to summarize, what we actually meant was that on a premium of 1 lakh rupees for 8 years, right, there is a guaranteed portion for a period of 25 years. After, along with that guaranteed income, right, you would keep on receiving your cash bonus, right, at whatever rate the company declares. Historically, we had previously declared it at 8%, and what Kanika wanted to say was that basis the PPT and basis the age, that cash bonus might differ.
Yes, according to PPT
Why
mainly.
eight? Why 8?
Yes.
Because of the 25 years. Right. Okay. Great. Yeah. So that's what, Vaibhav, I asked last year. How much was the cash bonus declared at? The rate of 8% or 4%? That's what was actually my first
Yeah.
question was.
So to answer the question, last year it was declared at 8%, right? If we for the exact details on the cash bonus part, right? There is a section of bonus on our landing page as well. Go through that, you will get the exact figures over there. But yeah, for the last year it was 8%. For historic record, you can refer to the bonus history part.
Okay, no questions are on the chat box. We can Q&A also. So you can continue, Kanika.
Okay. Please move forward the slide.
Sorry. Vaibhav, move the slide.
Okay, so here we can see what guaranteed income rates the customer will get according to the PPT options he's choosing. So there is like according to age, there is also described like 28%. The eight PPT in 8 years PPT option, there is 40% of annualized premium in 10 years PPT option, and the customer will get 50% if he's choosing 12 years PPT option. Is it this slide is clear to everyone? Okay, so there are more benefits. If customer is choosing the higher premium, So customer will get some extra percent of annualized premium. So suppose customer is taking with the plan is with 1 lakh rupees, in between 1 lakh to 2.99 lakh rupees. So he will get 0.4% more of annualized premium. Okay. And if customer is choosing between 3 to 5 lakh, if customer will get 1% of annualized premium more. And if he's choosing above 5 lakh rupees, so he will get the 1.2% of annualized premium. Please move forward. Okay. If you want to check the IRR according to the age and according to the PPT's option, and according to the there are three types of there are three types, like customer is taking with the 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees, and 5 lakh rupees. So there are IRRs also mentioned. If customer is asking that what is your IRR, so we can tell to them it's between 6 to 7%. Okay. So or it also depends on according to age and what PPT the customer is taking, and what premium the how much premium he's taking. Okay, so the first one option was deferred income option. The second is the immediate income option. So in immediate income option, the customer has 4 PPT options. In deferred income option, customer has only 3 PPT option, 8, 10, 12. But in immediate income option, the customer has 4 PPT options, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, please move forward. So, okay, so here we can see in example, suppose customer is paying 1 lakh rupees for 8 years. Okay, but in immediate income option, customer will get the from the next year, from the next year onwards, he will get the cash bonus. Okay, if I'll say in deferred income option, customer is getting the guaranteed income or cash bonus after the premium payment term over. So after the premium payment term, 1 year will be waiting period, and after that customer will get the income or cash bonus. But in immediate income option, customer will get the cash bonus from the second year onwards. So like suppose the customer is taking today, so from the next year, the policy when policy first year completed, then after that he will get the cash bonus. So the in this example, customer is taking with the 1 lakh rupees for 8 years, and after that he will get the cash bonus from the second year onwards. So he's taking at the age of 30, and he will receive the cash bonuses at the age of 31. So it will start and he will get till the age of 100. Okay, so in which customer will not get the guaranteed income, customer will get only as a cash bonus. So in this immediate income option, the customer will not get any guaranteed income. He will receive as a cash bonus till the age of 100. So any queries in this? So if I'll say in immediate income option, customer is getting, so it also depends on like customer age, but till now the customer is getting between 29 to 33,000, between 29 to 30 or 33,000. So it also depends what premium payment term the customer is choosing and what his age. So, Tripti, any queries or any questions?
1 minute, let me check. Team, y'all can ask the questions, please, on the chat box. New joinees can ask question. No, go ahead, Kanika.
Okay, so on maturity, what will he will get? He will get the maturity benefits. So he will get returns of the premium plus terminal bonus plus last cash bonus payout. Okay, and whatever cash bonus is the company is declaring, the customer can accrue.
Kanika, 1 minute. One
Yes.
question has come from Mohan Hubli.
Okay.
Would one opt for immediate income plan if there is no guaranteed income?
One.
Why would one opt for immediate income if there is no guaranteed income? Like in the deferred, we had 25 years, right? Guaranteed income.
Okay.
And in immediate income plan, why one should take it? What are the advantages? He means that. So remember in deferred, you said for the first 25 years, depending upon the age and PPT, you will get guaranteed income. So my team member Mohan is asking, why would one opt for immediate income if there is no guaranteed income? Immediate income plan. Ever you understood?
Yes, Tripti.
Hmm.
So in immediate income option, the customer is getting from the next year onwards cash as a cash income. Okay. So if I was saying ki like in guaranteed, the customer is in deferred option, the customer is getting, but in this plan, in deferred income option, the customer is getting after the premium payment and 1 year will be waiting period. After that, customer was getting. Okay. But in immediate income option, customer is getting immediately.
So, but this is a guaranteed income, right? The guaranteed income in that. Immediately, you're saying. Cash
Like in
the guaranteed one, or it is at the rate of 4% and 8%?
No, it's not guaranteed. It's also depends on 4 to 8%.
So that's what he's asking now. Why would
Okay.
opt this plan
Trupti,
to go for deferred income?
Trupti, to answer Mohan's question,
Yeah.
I'll just take this. Okay. So the first thing is that I agree that there is no guarantee in this class, right? But you can also look at the potential over here, right? Company like HDFC, it has always been known for declaring good bonuses, right? And historically, and if you check the bonus history, you would come to know that we have always declared bonuses which are at par with the market. Okay? So that
Agreed,
why,
Vaibhav. But
yeah.
you know
So
what Mohan
let
is
me complete.
asking is right.
Yeah,
Why
let me complete.
my client or my RM would pitch immediate income when you know you're not getting anything?
Let me complete.
Is the doubt always. Agreed, HDFC's historical cash bonus declarations at the rate of 8% is always guaranteed. But what if it is not? Then what other benefit is there? If there
Yeah,
is,
yeah, Trupti.
then
Let me complete. Okay.
yeah.
So if you see, right, we saying was that we have been known for giving right. That was the first. Second point, you say that there is no guarantee, no guaranteed returns in this, right? So the component of risk involved, but there is an IRDA mandate which says that we have to mandatorily declare a certain bonus, right, to the tune of 4%, right? So that part gives a certain comfort to the customer. Okay, potential you see over here, right? It is much more for the customer. So rather than investing in an FD or a secured instrument, right? Where really be getting a guaranteed part over here, there is a bit of risk involved, but the potential of returns, that is also quite high. The third point is that even if what you were saying was that if the bonus percent was declared at a lower rate, right? Even at that point, the plan also offers a life cover to the customer.
Yeah, agreed.
Whatever,
With respect
what
to other instruments is right.
Yeah,
But,
50-50.
agreed, Vaibhav.
Yeah,
But
also,
what is Mohan's question is that why would somebody opt immediate income plan if there is no guaranteed income? That's what he wants to.
yeah,
But Tripti, the customer is paying for 8 years. Okay, he's paying 8 lakh rupees, but immediately he is getting 30,000. So we are not saying the customer is paying 8 lakh rupees. Customer is paying. You can minus the whatever payout he already got the payout 30,000. So from the immediate years, so we can minus that, and we saying ki like you are investing this much amount only, and you are like you are getting 30,000 immediately. And if you will see the historical, as Vaibhav said, so in super income plan, and if you will see in classic assure, so the company is giving the bonuses as company is saying.
Okay.
Trupti,
Mohan, hope we've answered. Mohan,
Trupti, just
just
to
type
add,
yes.
just to
Yeah. Sorry.
add the risk free, if someone is willing to take a risk for higher return, this is the plan to go for him. If the
Yeah.
customer is only a guaranteed part, then they can very
Then
well opt
yeah,
for Fincare Plus
the risk of
or
factors in
some
it.
traditional plan. Here there is a bit of risk involved, but you can also see it in the IRR. The IRR
Okay.
over here is almost 1 to 2% higher than what it is in Fincare Plus.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so is there any doubt in this? And the IR is here for immediate income. So in immediate income option, the survival benefit the customer will get as a cash bonus every year what he is getting. And if maturity benefit, there is customer is getting maturity benefit, sum assured plus cash bonuses plus interim bonus and plus terminal bonus. Okay, and obviously the plan is insurance plan, so there are also
Yeah.
death benefit also. So in this plan, the customer will get the death benefit. You can say sum assured and the cash bonus if customer accrued, and their interim benefits if any, and terminal bonus if any declared. Okay, here is the benefits of deferred income. So survival benefit, we already go through that, like guaranteed income, the customer will get the for 25 years, and as well as along with he will get the cash bonus. And the maturity benefit is same as immediate income option. So sum assured plus interim survival benefits and plus terminal bonus if declared. And if customer is accruing their cash bonuses or guaranteed income. And death benefit is also sum assured plus terminal bonus if declared, and the interim benefits. And if we will see minimum side of that, it will be 10 times of annual premium. Okay, so here is the eligibility. So customer minimum entry age and maximum entry age for immediate income is 65, and the PPT option is 6, 8, 10, 12. And for deferred income option, 55 years is maximum entry age for PPT option 8, and 60 years for PPT if customer is taking PPT option premium payment term option 10 or 12. And if customer is choosing, maturity is 100 years. So in this option, along with customer also have, he can choose the side by side for fixed term. So there is also option if customer doesn't want to go with the lifelong option. Okay, so customer also can take for 30 to 40 years fixed term option. Okay, so
1 minute. Can the accrued survival benefit be withdrawn? It's to all the panelists.
Yes, the customer can accrue the bonuses, and whenever he wants to withdraw, he can withdraw, and again he can accrue.
No, withdrawal means after the paying PPT, right? It will not be before PPT.
No. So suppose customer is accruing bonuses, okay? So suppose customer doesn't want to, because the customer is getting income as the bonuses and whatever the guaranteed income customer is getting, he is getting as an income. So customer can accrued also. If he is accruing after 2 years, 3 years, if he wants to withdraw, he can withdraw and again he can accrue.
So this, when after doing this in between withdrawal, there won't be tax, right? It will be tax.
No. Yes.
Okay.
Tax free.
Mr. Panikar, I hope we have answered you. So you can withdraw your accruals in between. And it will be tax free.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead. Just check in between, Vaibhav, the questions also.
Yeah. Kanika, would you like to continue?
Yeah. You can
I've
move forward.
answered him, right? So we can continue.
So here is mentioned the policyholder shall have an option to defer the survival benefit and declare cash bonuses. So guaranteed income he can accrue. Okay. This can be opted for any time during the policy term or any number of times. So this slide is only this. So so you can move to 32 number slide. Okay, so why customer will choose the Sanchay Par advantage? Okay, so if customer wants to alternate source of income, so obviously he can choose, because so many people wants to like take for their children educations also, and if customer wants to immediately wants to income for, maybe he's very keen to roaming around, and so a customer can take for their EMIs also, and there is also flexibility to defer benefit payouts for future financial needs, and also he can create the legacy for next generation. So suppose he's taking, so there is also survival benefit, so customer can also create the legacy for their loved ones, and the customer also will get the regular income for till the age of 100 years. And also customer because this is a insurance plan, so customer also protect his or her family against the financial distress in case of any mishappening in future purpose. And customer also will get the tax free income, and also he can get the tax rebate also in under section 80C, whatever premium he's paying. Okay, so is there any questions?
So team, if there are any questions you would like to ask about Sanchay Par, this would be the right time, because Kanika is a product expert and she would be able to help you right now. Team, any questions?
If any questions regarding the terminology and regarding the cash bonus, regarding the guaranteed income, anything regarding the
Kanika, can you go,
Yes.
Vaibhav, can you 2 slides back? I want to tell the new team that this can be a sales pitch also with respect to legacy and the slide which had the
Sure.
legacy part.
Sure. Yeah.
We can harp. Vaibhav, you can just. There
Yeah,
are-
I actually mistakenly stopped presenting the screen. Just give me a second.
Yeah, the earlier one.
The earlier one.
The earlier one. This also. So team, this could be, this slide could be for pitching also the product. Okay. We have shared this. Yeah, we have shared. I have shared it before also. I'll reshare it. So just, Vaibhav, can you just explain that this could be also the pitching?
Yeah. So team, what this slide shows you is depending on the customer needs, right? How you can advantage. So there might be people who are looking for an alternate source of income. They cash in their hand, right, which they can invest right now, and maybe at a later stage they can have an alternate source of income for themselves. or they have some future financial needs, like maybe child's education or something in mind, for which they can start saving from right now, right? And the bonuses which they would get after accrual, that would be able to fund their future. So that is one thing. Apart from that, there are people who want to leave behind a legacy for the next generation. I might not require the money for myself, right? But I would want that after I am not there, my children or my grandchildren, they enjoy the legacy which I have left behind. It is also an ideal tool for creating a legacy. Also, if you see, there is a regular cash free which comes paid to the customer here till the age of 100. So look at this, right? Many people who are right, and this would be an ideal plan for them because the pension plans, they are not exempt from taxation. This is something which is going to give you tax free regular income for the whole of life. Also, definitely there is a life to it, right? So it is not against it is not only giving, also in case of, right, they are also financially secure. So if you see, for each and every person, we, right, to say that why they require Sanjay Par advantage. So team, any questions, any doubts, any queries you would want Kanika to answer? Or else we can just move to the second part of our presentation, where we just wanted to tell you about certain new changes which has happened recently, right? And keeping in mind the business months of JFM, how that is going to uh, help you guys scale up on the insurance side. So Trupti, can we move on?
Yes, Vaibhav. Yes, please. I was on a call.
Sure, no worries.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kanika. The team really appreciates the efforts you have put in, right? And it has been a very
Uh,
session.
Thank you so much, Vaibhav, and thank you so much, Tripti.
Yeah, thanks, Kanika, for actually rewinding Sanjay Par, which our team only some of them sold Sanjay Par, others were not selling Sanjay Par. For us, Sanjay Plus is a hit product of HDFC
Yes, of
as
course.
well as the term plan. So
Yes.
thanks, Vaibhavan. And now Piyush will do the closing remark, please.
See,
Piyush?
we'll just
Okay. Sorry,
we
Yeah,
sorry.
Vaibhav will have to run through one more small presentation which he has created for digital sales.
right.
For what, Piyush? Sorry, I didn't
Vaibhav
get
will
you.
go through digital sales presentation for 10 minutes.
Ah, okay, great. So anyway, this was just a refreshing course of Sanjay Par. For those who never sold a Sanjay Par can now pitch Sanjay Par. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, great. Vaibhav, go. Go ahead, Vaibhav.
Give me a minute. Yeah.
And Mohan, we can talk about this immediate income, okay, later. Give me a call. Team, if any question, meanwhile, you all can ask on the Q&A question box till Vaibhav arranges the slide.
Yeah, hi. Am I audible?
Yes, Bhavika. Good evening.
Yeah,
You can
very
give
good
your bit
evening.
of advices if you have to give to my team. Till
No, there is
Vaibhav.
absolutely no advice, but I just wanted to understand as to, how things have been with all of us. It's now actually 12 months. It's been a year since, we faced this pandemic, which was, I'm sure, the very first experience for all of us.
Yes.
So yeah, and it's actually 12 months today. I was looking at it because by the end of February, we had started getting these feelers from out of India saying that these things are approaching us. And even in India, I guess the cases were there in February, but it's
No,
in its
first week of
pocket.
March, I think. First week of March. The first case was first week of March when that Italian guy had come. The Italian
Right.
had come to Delhi.
Right. So it's been actually 12 months into this situation now. And if you ask me, things have been very, very different on professional front, on personal front. What we used to do earlier, we used to go to office, we used to meet up people, we used to feel and discuss things into meeting rooms. Everything got changed and everything got converted to digital medium. It was very lucky of our industry that in this industry we did not face any problems or any slowdown. In fact, in this industry, pandemic helped us because the decision making was now faster. People had more liquidity, they had more time at hand. They wanted to open demat account for Prabhudas Lilladhar and they wanted to start trading also. I'm sure all of you, realize and face this, where we had more and more customer base who were willing to trade and who were willing to take exposure and who were willing to invest. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely.
Right. So the way, yeah, definitely some industries did face a tough time and they're still facing tough times. But I feel lucky that I'm into an industry which was completely onboarded online and digitally, and so we could only benefit out of this pandemic. What I also look at is in this times, people have been more scared of things. So in any business works either on greed or it works on fear. And over here, the fear was there, which we can address by giving them protection for their lives and also for their monies that they want to invest. And we can also address their greed requirement because you are into equity markets, you are into investments, and you can give those customers better returns for their money that they want to invest. So every industry that works on greed and fear has definitely done better. And for our industry also, we have addressed this fear part using C2PL, which is our newly launched term. And we have also been able to cater to their greed by having products like Sanchay, Sanchay Plus, Sanchay Par. And I'm sure when all of you looked at Sanchay Par once again, you would have realized that this is one more avenue where your wealthy customers, where your customers who have monies at hand can invest, right? The reason, one more reason why this is going to be important, this kind of traditional investments, is also because now government has made it very, very clear. So earlier all the instrument used to have tax benefits. Then government decided that FD should be taken away from tax bracket, so FD was removed. Then mutual funds were removed. Now unit linked plans have been removed. So the only instrument which is now remaining for tax benefits for customer is traditional investment plans. And that is where you have the best plans in the industry, where you can go to these customers and you can tell them that, sir, this is the best thing, please avail of it. And till the time government chooses not to change these tax benefits onto Sanchay, I guess each and every customer of ours should be taking advantage of this situation, because if you do not pitch them, someone else will come and pitch. So that is what we have seen. We have seen a growth of around 26% in last year's number of policies also, and on premium as well. So this clearly means that more and more people are still willing to invest, and they are still willing to take instruments which are giving them guaranteed returns, or which are giving them an upside of equity with a safety coverage. So that's what happens into Sanchay series. One small point that I want to make over here before Vaibhav takes over with his presentation, where there are some 4-5 initiatives which are there. The small point that I wanted to mention over here is the kind of interest rates that we see right now in the industry. So when we started working, so when I started observing interest rates, and I started observing people around me discussing interest rate, that was around in 1999. I realized that the interest rates at that time, so at 1989 it was 15%, I guess. 99 it was reduced to 12%, so it reduced by 3%. 2009, it further reduced by 3% and it came down to 9%. 2019, it came down to 6%. So if you look at the pattern, every 10 years, the interest rates reduced by 3%. We are on 1990, 1920, 1921. So that means 2029, probably we will be left with 3% of interest rate. And 2039, which is 20 years hence, probably it would be 0% the way it is into developed countries right now. So it is very, very prudent right now to ensure that whatever monies that we have at hand, liquid money that we have at hand, we put it in instruments which give us long-term guarantees. So if someone is going to take care of my next 25, 30 years, then that is something that I would really be willing to do. So my simple submission over here is look at the instruments which give you the guarantee right now and a long-term protection right now, and make sure that your customers take advantage of these things. So that's all from my side, Vaibhav. I guess you will have to put up the presentation. I have another engagement which I have to attend, so I will like to excuse. Before that, any one of you would have any questions for me, I'll be glad to answer. Okay, fine. So I see that there are no more questions for me. However, I'm sure all of you are smart enough to know what is best for you in these times, especially when we are approaching a year end. I wish all the best to all of you to achieve your KPIs and to achieve your numbers and make more and more money with the kind of initiatives that the company launches. So over to you, Weber.
Thank you, Bhavika.
Thank you, Bhavika.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Bhavika. So team, I am actually facing a little bit of difficulty in presenting my screen. Piyush, would you be able to present the PPT?
You have it? You have shared it to Piyush or?
I've shared it with Piyush.
Because I haven't received.
Anyways, till we are right, I'll just give a about what we are going to talk about. Team, recently on the WhatsApp groups and everywhere else, we have been that the Sanchay Plus returns, they have increased, right? So not only Sanchay Plus, even for Sanchay, the returns have increased by almost 20 to 25 basis points, right? So that is something which has given a new energy in that product, right? It has made the product even more competitive than what it was originally was, right? And yeah, so it is now going to be very difficult to compete against the kind of returns the product is providing and the kind of tax benefits that we are going to get. Uh, this product is going to be a winner out and out.
I've promoted him to Mangesh. Mangesh, you can share the screen. I don't know. Piyush is. Okay.
I see the screen, yeah.
Piyush is done.
So Piyush, can you just move to the next slide? Yeah, right. So if we see over here, right, the IRRs for long-term income and lifelong income, right, they have moved up by almost 20 basis points. Now this is for a premium of 1 lakh rupees, right? Uh, if we know correctly, on a premium higher than 5 lakh rupees, right? The returns that we are going to get, the IRR, tax-free IRR would be somewhere in the range of 6.8 to 6.9%, right? Which is one of the best in the industry, and it has never been heard of. So definitely, it gives all of us a reason to sell Sanchay Plus, specifically the lifelong and the long-term income option. Along with that, Piyush, if you can move to the next slide, uh, there has also been an approximate 5 basis points for Sanchay. Earlier, if you see maturity part, were not that great. Now with Sanchay coming in, we are able to provide around 5.5% of around 5.7% IRR, right? With HDFC Life Sanchay. So now we have a wholesome product in our hands, right? Those who are looking for a guaranteed maturity, we have Sanchay with higher IRRs, IRR for them. Those who are looking for a stream of income, right? We have Sanchay Plus. So both Sanchay Plus and Sanchay are has made this even a better combination to pitch to your customers, specifically in this month when most of them are looking to invest for claiming the tax benefits. So at this time when the IRRs have also gone up, so definitely it is something which you should be pitching to your customers. Can we just move ahead? Yeah. So if you see over here, right, we have just compared Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par with fixed deposits, PPF, and equity, right? We would like to focus more on the fixed deposit and the PPF part. If you see, Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par, right, like fixed deposit and PPF, are giving guaranteed returns. Along with, they are also giving tax benefit on the initial investment under Section 80C, and also on the returns under Section 1010D. Additionally, they also come with life cover and early liquidity. So with Sanchay Par Advantage, as we just saw, we have an early liquidity option coming in, right? Which is not present with your fixed deposits or your PPF, right? Also with PPF, now there is a limit that only up to an investment of 2.5 lakh rupees, right? You can claim tax benefit on returns. Uh, till now, Sanchay Plus and Sanchay Par haven't been included in this, right? And it becomes an ideal solution for those customers who are looking for a tax-free income, right? To compare this with fixed deposits, if you it is somewhere around 4 to 4.5%, right? And on that, if you add your tax component, right, the post-tax IRR, it is somewhere around 3 to 3.15%. At the same time, Sanchay Plus is giving you a guaranteed IRR of upwards of 6%, right? And Sanchay Par can up to 7%. So definitely, it makes sense right now to go for Sanchay Plus, to go for Sanchay Par, to go for Sanchay as well, specifically when we are in the tax saving season. Uh, Next slide. Yeah. Apart from that, we also spoke about a new term plan which has come in, right? Click to Protect Live. So we have an additional 2% discount for all the existing customers. So all those clients whom you have pitched Sanchay, Sanchay Plus, who have taken Sanchay or Sanchay Plus or Sanchay Par from us, right? You can definitely go back to them, offer them a new term plan, right? And let them avail a discount of 2%, which is something very unique, and I don't think if any other company is doing it right now.
2% on what?
2% of the premium
Of the new plan, term plan.
new plan, right. So if your premium is coming to 1 lakh rupees, right, it becomes 98,000. So definitely something which they should look for. Also, with the new term plan coming in, the rates have been normalized. So earlier we were a bit expensive on the higher age group. Now, if you see, we are quite competitive, even on those age groups, right? And you can see for yourself. You can visit the landing page. You can see the premium, and definitely something which you can pitch to your customers. Also, we have introduced the guaranteed returns with plus option. So with that coming in, right, we have done a small illustration over here, right? So let's say if a person of a 40-year-old person, he's buying a policy of 1 crore for a term of 40 years, right? Premium which you would end up paying limited PPT of 10 years, somewhere in the range of 9 lakh rupees, right? Whereas the return which he is going to get, right, they would come at an IRR of 4.29%. So as soon as the customer turns 60, right, till the age of 80, he would keep on receiving a monthly income of 10,000 rupees, right? So on an investment of around 9 lakh rupees, he would be getting over a period of 24 years, over a period of 20 years, a return of around 24 lakh rupees, right? And mind you, this is a term plan, not an investment plan. So you are getting a high life cover as well as you are getting a great IRR with this product. So again, that is something which we can definitely suggest to our customers, a term plan combined with a pension plan. Apart from that, there are certain enablers which we have taken live from on HDFC Live. So the first thing is your CKYC integration. So right now, if a customer has a CKYC number, has completed a CKYC registration, right? His form would be partially filled up. Also, they do not need to submit any KYC document. So the KYC documents would right. So it would help in easy issuance of the, and which we have seen in the recent days. If I don't know if Ravi or his team are on the call, we have seen their policies getting issued within 2 hours of login. So the same day issuance has been possible. Also, for PCVC, now we do not need to wait for an to be triggered to फिर वो customer जाएगा, he would click on the link. All that has been taken care of. Now on the app manager itself, once they complete the proposal form, they can just they can do and complete their PCVC as well. That has taken place. So
From the app manager, you mean from resume application?
from resume application.
The PCVC also.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Ravi's team is there. I can't see them.
Yeah.
Anyway, others also have been told what to do.
Yeah. Okay. So Piyush, over to you.
Yeah, so I'll request our Principal Officer Tripti to just announce this contest and take you through the layers of different prizes which we have.
February, na? This is still for 7 days
February.
left. So team, if you do an premium collection net premium without GST of 20,000, you will get 1,000 rupees payout. For 50,000, it will be 2,500, and more than 1 lakh or equal to 1 lakh, it will be 5,000. More than 2 lakhs, it will be 12,000. And above 3 lakhs, it will be 20,000. And overall above this, the branch manager and the, in our case, it's AVP and other cluster heads. If they do 5 lakhs from their team, there will be an additional payout of 25,000. And for the zonal heads, the regional heads, zonal heads, overall, if we complete 15 lakhs team, we are going to get a payout of 60,000. Okay. And of course, the login is from 1st February to 28th. So we've just got 7 days left now. From today, we still have the days. For us, the day starts after 3:30, right?
There is a special credit for Sanchaya Par. There's 125 and 150.
Yeah, that I'm telling. So, and this product again refreshed Sanchaya Par, and only some few Kolkata team had sold Sanchaya Par. There is an additional 125% credit on sourcing for one single policy. Okay. And 150% credit on sourcing 2 or more of Sanchaya Par. Okay. So there's one more addition to this contest. I hope you guys have seen this 125% and 150% credit. So, and we have shown you also how to pitch the product also, right? So I guess team, we still have 7 days. Please take the advantage and start pitching the product. Over to you, Piyush, now.
Yeah, thank you, Tripti, and thank you, Vaibhav, and the entire HDFC team for your precious time. And thank you all the participants. We are almost at the end of the session. And before we end, again, I'll reiterate what Tripti said. This slide shows you the kind of RNR which are available on HDFC Life products. So we have 7 days left. Please put your best foot forward and generate as many leads as possible to make the maximum out of it.
And our day starts after 3:30, Piyush, right? So they have time. Today also it's days calculated.
Correct. So great, guys. I mean, happy selling in a great February month. We have already done a great business in February till now. And I hope we'll break all our previous records in February.
Sure.
So thank you again, everyone, for
Thank
your
you, Piyush.
participation.
Thank you, Kanika, Bhavika, Vaibhav, and Mangesh. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.